Independence Day is a day to take pride in country's rich heritage, colorful fabric of vibrant cultural expression, achievements in the different domain and peace-loving nature of society. The same thought will be expressed by the student of our school, Miss Vanshika Hada, through her speech.
Good morning. The member of management, Ms. Garima Ujjwal ma'am, principal ma'am, teachers and dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As we all know, we all are gathered here to celebrate the 74th Independence Day of our beloved India. Today, everyone from different parts of the country are chanting the slogan of Bharat Mata Ki Jai with the spirit and energy. It indeed the spirit of freedom and love for the nation. But as we all know, this freedom is hard-earned. The decade of sacrifices and struggle, beside all that, the land on which we breathe upon is thanks to the great leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji and many others. Freedom is a gift. It is a gift of sacrifices, brutal tortures, sleepless nights and struggles by our forefathers. History is an open chapter. It tells us all about the sacrifices of our forefathers. This freedom owes itself the struggle of Mahatma Gandhi ji, who stood like a rock for the rights of the people. He was imprisoned several times, but he never gave up. This freedom owes itself the struggle of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, who sacrificed each and everything and supported the cause of independence. This freedom owes itself the struggle of other great leaders such as Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others. In British India, we all were under chains, our rights were compromised, we all felt suffocated, our economic, political, social conditions were very bad. And in the end, it was not an honor for Indians to live under the slavery of foreign forces. Slavery is a curse. As you can see it around the world, what is the situation of other countries who are still under the slavery. We are not only gathered here to just chant the slogans and do formalities, but we have to fulfill the promises that we are doing with our mother nation. No doubt, we are a free land. But this free land is surrounded by a host of problems. Apart from all these problems, our country has many good things to offer. We are a nuclear power country. We have the world's largest democracy of free and happy people in the world. Our borders are protected. We have a large and brave army. Being the youth, we are the tomorrow of our nation. So, we have to utilize our today for a better tomorrow. As our great leader said, that tomorrow depends on what we do in today. We have to be united and tell our friends and foes alike that we are friends with friends and harsh with enemies. Thank you.
It was an informative speech and we are instilled with pride and spirit of patriotism. The corona time is going on and silver lining in the dark clouds is the zest and motivation with which all the teachers of our school are putting in the best efforts by leaving no stone unturned. The same is visible in the students' performance in academic and non-academic areas as well. Here we have the admin and teaching staff of Cambridge School to present before you a patriotic song, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
गुजरने वाली हवा बता मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या। मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे। ए मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्म से निकल के खून कहे। ए मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो मेरे लिए सो दर्द सहे। महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी ये दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ के चरणों में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है। डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। 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 तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ
Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. With pride in heart, here we have Tanvi Mishran, who is going to present a poem in Hindi.
सुप्रभात। आज 15 अगस्त की पूर्व संध्या पर मैं तन्वी मिश्रण कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है तिरंगा और कवि का नाम है संजीवन मयंक। इस कविता में कवि ने वीरों के संघर्ष को दर्शाया है, वो भी आज़ादी के लिए। आज तिरंगा फहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आज़ादी के लिए हमारी लंबी चली लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों ने प्राणों से कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी। व्यापारी बनकर आए और छल से हम पर राज किया, हमको आपस में लड़वाने की नीति अपनाई थी। हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। गांधी तिलक सुभाष जवाहर का प्यारा यह देश है, जियो और जीने दो का देता यह संदेश है। पहरी बनकर खड़ा हिमालय जिसके उत्तर द्वार पर, दक्षिण में हिंद महासागर जिसके लिए विशेष है। लगी गूंजने दसों दिशाएं वीरों के यशगान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमें हमारी मातृभूमि से इतना मिला दुलार है, इसके आंचल की छैया से छोटा यह संसार है। हम न कभी हिंसा के आगे अपना शीश झुकाएंगे, सच पूछो तो पूरा विश्व हमारा ही परिवार है। विश्व शांति की चली हवाएं अपने हिंदुस्तान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। धन्यवाद।
India was under the British rule for over 200 years. The journey of Indian independence has given lesson to many other countries. Let's witness the journey through a very interesting presentation.
The freedom struggle. Men who are known for their peaceful methods, such as Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans, Aurobindo Ghosh, Rabindranath Tagore, and many others, started spreading the word to the people that everyone must be passionate about gaining freedom. After World War I, the British imposed stricter legislation in India to curb the people they felt were political extremists. While all hope was diminishing, emerged a man whom the country began to revere, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi became the undisputed leader of the freedom struggle. He advocated the policy of satyagraha and civil disobedience. Mahatma Gandhi, as he was known, inspired millions to follow in his path. His vision took the freedom struggle to the national level. On 13th April 1919, the British, led by General Dyer, massacred hundreds of unarmed civilians, including women and children who were attending a meeting. This incident is known as the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy in Amritsar, which triggered off nationwide hatred for the British rule. In response, Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement. He urged the people to refuse to pay taxes and forsake British titles and honours. This was a serious problem for the government. Gandhi embarked on a mission of about 400 kilometers from Ahmedabad to Dandi, famously known as the Dandi March. And at Dandi, the law was broken by making salt from seawater. The British responded by making widespread arrests and firing on the crowds. Gandhi too was sent to jail a number of times. Armed rebellions against the British continued to grow in several parts of India. Leaders such as Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad led acts of violence against the British. But soon, the revolutionary activities died down and many rebel leaders joined political parties.
We owe a great thank you to our freedom fighters who gave their life and made great sacrifices. Let's dedicate this day to our national heroes. Whenever the children see, there's a flag in hands V, moving all in a row, pretty disciplined do they show, patriotic at the heart. Move on, they are very fast, while saffron, white and green, a lot do the colors mean. Here we have our primary children dressed up as their favorite heroes, wishing the well-being of the countrymen and the spirit to contribute for the country's growth is expected from each and every citizen of our country. Here we have the future leaders and beacon bearers of our country to present before us a beautiful dance performance.
मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से
आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Good morning everyone, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Everywhere we celebrate Independence Day here in the school together. This year due to COVID-19 we are not able to gather here, but I am very happy to celebrate it on virtual mode together with all of you. It's a very special occasion for all of us, and I'm very happy to see all of you participating in it. My message on this Independence to all of you is do not take freedom for granted. It is something which is hard earned. It is a gift which was given by our forefathers to us. We are living in a free India today because of the sacrifices which our forefathers have made. My message to all the children: इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्ही हो कल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्ही हो कल के। And to me the meaning of the word patriot, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.